everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. We actually have some good news coming from Disney today. Disney just announced a new expanded downtown Disney experience into Disney California Adventure. Buena Vista Street will be opening for a new shopping and dining experience. We have all been wanting to get our feet inside the parks, and this is our first opportunity to do this. The attractions will be closed, but I'll go ahead and give you a list of shops that will be opening. First off, Elias & Company will be opening, and they have clothing for men, women, and children. Next, Julia's Cats & Sons will be open with holiday merchandise. Kingswell Camera Shop, as Disney says, will offer great gift-giving ideas from frames, photo albums, and more. Trolley Treats will be a new alternative to Marceline's. Fiddler, Pfeiffer, and Practical Cafe will offer all the sights and sounds of Buena Vista Street with food and coffee. Carthay Circle Lounge will be open for a new outdoor dining and cocktail experience. And finally, Smoke Jumper's Grill will be open. This new experience gives us more reasons to make a nice date night or experience a night out with some friends. Now, if you do this, and if you're local or you travel like we have to, you can actually make a whole evening of it, spend the night at a hotel across the street, and help out the local economy. We do have a number of hotel tours if you have never stayed in the area, and you can check that out. When there is an announcement of an opening date, we'll go ahead and put it in the description of the video. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate the support.